Guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a story into a Snapchat highlight fast. So first thing you're going to do is open up your Snapchat app just like this, and once it's on, the next thing you click on your profile right above your screen, and once you click on that, this is what you're going to see. This is actually your profile. So after this, you can see where it says my account and public profile. So what you need to do is actually click on public profile, and once you click on that, you can see it's on Spotlight, and you have to change it to story just by clicking on it. And you can see where it says add snaps. Click on add snaps and maybe go to memories or post archive, any one of your choice, and click on the video you want to post. Click on next, and you can actually type to edit, to reorder or remove snaps or add anyone. After doing that and you're sure you want to, you click on next, and once you click on next, you have to add the title. So I'm going to say chill girl to go, and you click on done, and once you click on done, it's going to be added to highlights just like that. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. See my next video. Bye.